Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel. I, Racquel, I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 60-second video. Today I want to talk to you guys about making your writing time non-negotiable. I do a lot of speaking around the Central Florida community and beyond, and I am always talking about how my writing time is non-negotiable. That is usually followed up with a question about how do you make your writing time non-negotiable. What I like to do is to look ahead at my day. I think about all the things I have to get done, including some of my obligations, and I will sometimes wake up earlier, or maybe it means going to sleep a little bit later. Sometimes it might even mean writing on my phone. But no matter what, I make writing a priority. I have to fit in at least 20 minutes of writing every day. And it doesn't sound like a lot, but trust me, it adds up. And the last thing I do is I set reminders in my phone. So throughout the day, I'm getting reminders from myself, really, about whether or not I wrote. It's asking me the question if I got any writing done. And then at the end, at 11:30 p.m., there's one last reminder that says, did you write today? And I know at that point, if I'm doing some other task, I need to shut it down and get my writing in, even if it's for 20 minutes, and then I can go back to that task. Hence the staying up late sometimes. All right? So no matter what, you can do this. You can make your writing time non-negotiable. Just carve out a little time each day, and trust me, it adds up. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and we will see you back here next time. Bye.